Right, I am testing the range I can get on this 7-inch. I'm not going to actually go far. I'm just going to go around in circles. I hope that this audio is audible. So I'm using the headset on, plugging it into the Orcas, hoping that it works. I put a new switch, which is this switch, which will let me turn off the OSD so I can get a better view. And I have a problem where you see I'm listening to the right. Keeps coming back. That is because of something to do with the gimbals and I need to fix it. It's not on the quad though, I'm pretty sure of it. I might test return to home, but I don't think I will. But I know that by the end of this field should be around 1 kilometre. I've also put a head tilt alarm in. I don't know if you can hear that beeping. Turn that on the goggles so that I know if I'm not looking up, so I've got a better chance of getting a good video. So we are currently 600 metres. So it's probably not, I thought the end of this field would be 1 kilometre based on Google Maps, but it looks like it isn't. And I don't want to go much further than that because you see there's a little road down there. So maybe if I go this way a bit, I'll be able to get to 1 kilometre away. They're actually going over. And I know these fields are accessible by footpath basically. I'm getting blown back, I can tell. So I might as well just come back. I'm down here where the home arrow is pointing right now. And then there's like a little church. And then that's a tree where I used to fly a long time ago. So I'm just cruising around and hoping for the best. So we've got 1.5 kilometres so far. I'm not going particularly far or anything like that, I'm just cruising. You can hear it, it's over. It's kind of annoying having to constantly correct for the gimbal problem. But you know, so on my last test I think I got nearly 2,000 mAh out of the battery. So I'm hoping I should be able to get something similar this time. But I fly to the average cell voltage pretty much. Should not fly over those trees in case I go down. Just walk to pick it up. Go over this way and then loop back over this field. So you can see the footpath between the two fields at the bottom of the screen there. Much faster going this way, see I'm doing 100 kilometers an hour, I was only doing 60 going, so that means the wind's coming towards this direction. I need to fly into and away from the wind equally then, because that's kind of what you have on an actual long range mission. But I'm by the end of that little hedge at the bottom there. And the reason I've put myself specifically right by the edge of the hedge is so it's easy to see where I am. See, I've not really changed throttle position, I'm still at like 40, but I'm doing only 60 kilometers an hour, so it's much harder going this way. I'll climb a little bit, fall a little bit as well, because it's easier falling than it is climbing, obviously. I haven't heard the head tilt alarm yet, so around 35, 40, which is pretty much where I want to be most of the time anyway. 1200. 5, 6 I should be able to get. Yeah, that easily. Maybe another time on the plan. Don't really want to test GPS with center on, so just low back. Probably because I'm forcing it into the wind. Yeah, 2.55 is not too bad. I should get a lot more out of this though. Day with no wind, I would expect that. It's burning so much just by no wind. I was thinking about loosening the tune a little bit so that it's not as aggressive, like trying to catch up to what it should be. I'm going to fly just the road in there, so if I do have to go down quickly. Please. That's a lot. Apologies. Tracks. Going at this speed, 30. It's not too bad. Hanging out at 3.5, it's not really. It's much quicker than this one. It doesn't feel too windy today, but it does.